So we're coming up with a shot like this. And we take our steps forward. Come down. Cut to the right. Let them see the front of the car. Like that. You always want to keep your hand nice and steady. There's no need for a gimbal or stabilizer because you're keeping your hands still, moving nice and smooth. Keep your knees bent. Another thing that I do that helps keep the camera where it's not, shaky and whatnot, is I keep a tight grip on the phone, which makes a difference. Holding the phone tight, kind of gripping on it, helps with that. Some people will say you need to move fast around the car. I know my boss has said that many times. But moving quickly around the car will cause for you to have more camera shake when you're doing it without a gimbal. And even with a gimbal, it's just not going to look as good moving fast. People want to take their time and look at the car, see the body lines on it. Maybe kind of stop and pause the video. They might want to zoom in a little bit, look at the rims, tires, things like that. I'm not saying go super slow, but I mean, right now I'm at 2 minutes and we're getting onto the interior. Now, this video is taking a little bit longer because I'm talking and kind of showing you how I do it. But typically a walk around video on a, car like this, I'll get around the car without talking in about 2.5, under 3 minutes. And I think that's a good time frame for you. There's not a whole lot to see in the back, but you're opening it up to show them that there is some space back here in the rear. You're also showing them that the power tailgate works and also how clean it is in the back of the car. I always do my photos first and then I'll do my video, because after doing the photos I kind of know what areas and whatnot that are going to be, good areas to look at when walking around doing the video. Now, if we had an indoor booth or, shop to film in, that would be great. But we are limited to what we have outside. So, in an ideal environment, it'd be nice to not have shadows and things like that on the interior or on the exterior. So you try to eliminate them as best as you can. When you're coming around the back here, I like to hit the wide angle shot like that so you can see more of the interior. But that does take away from the resolution on the camera and can make things look a little bit blurrier and things like that. As you can see right now, if I hit that button right there, it'll get a little clearer. But now, as you can see, that sun is hitting off that BMW there, coming right to the interior of the car. But, some things you're not going to be able to catch while in motion filming if you're doing one continuous video like this. Now, if you stop and shoot different sections of the car, which I do sometimes for like short videos and whatnot, then you can really control the shot a lot more and even get a better view or a better picture of the car. But again, that's a quick video. There's not going to be a whole lot of for the customer to look at. To me, this is much better than just a picture stitch video. If I want to look at pictures, I'll look at pictures. Now, I am a little bit more, I like talking and whatnot in my walk around videos, but we've kind of stopped doing that lately, and we're just putting music in the background, which is fine if you're doing a good job of filming. Now, if you really want to spend a little more time in your walk around, you can hop in like this. And you can cut the car on and show them just a few quick things. just like that. Always make sure there's no check engine lights on, things like that. Zoom in a little bit, let them see the screen, maybe put it in reverse, just real quickly to let them see the backup camera works. All cars 2017 and up have backup cameras standard, but we do want to let our customers know that the camera does work. It's not glitched out or the lens is broken. So that's why we do that. Show them the steering wheel, the wood trim, just how clean the car is. As you can see, heated and cooled seats. You can always use your hand to kind of show things, touch things, and all that. Okay, open her up. There you go. Always want to make sure before opening areas up that they're clean. Very important, okay? I mean, seriously, this stuff's very, very important. Nobody wants to buy a dirty car. We go over and beyond with our detailing here at the store, which makes a huge difference. And also we go over and beyond with the pictures and the videos. Again, makes a big difference when selling a vehicle in 2024. A lot of dealers just take some quick pics of the car. The angles are off. They just don't really do all that much with it. They just get the job done and get it online. Yes, that does do a great job of getting it out there for the customer, but it does not do a great job of showing that your dealership is on top of its game. Thanks for watching this video with us today at Southern Motor Company. Whether you're watching this video because you're new to Southern Motor Company as an employee, maybe you're a salesperson or a person like myself that does social media video and sales, maybe you're watching it just trying to up your game. That's great. But I made this video to just kind of help folks out. There's a lot of people out there could definitely up their game inside their pictures and videos. And you know, it just takes a little extra knowledge and the want to do it. That's what it's all about. You got to want to be better and be the best. Thanks again. Have a great day. And again, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching with us. We'll see you soon.